At the end of this, people will doubt your age. They will never believe how old you are. Like, seriously. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing, turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Like the title says, people will doubt your age. You will age slowly. This is just not a magic, okay? If you apply this treatment, you will see what I'm saying. Like, this helps to minimize appearance of wrinkles, fight free radical damage that makes you age faster. The ingredients are so very perfect for aging signs, okay? Helping to take them away gradually until you have no wrinkles anymore. You look more youthful all the time. So you have to continue watching because you benefit so much from this treatment. The first ingredient you have to get is this rice powder. So rice contains powerful antioxidants, very exfoliating. It helps to fight free radical damage, like I said, that makes your skin age faster. It's very tightening, helping to firm up a loose skin, like tightens a loose skin and make you look more youthful. It helps to minimize the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines. With consistent use, you will get perfect result. Like, this will give you instant glow. It exfoliates the skin to remove dead skin cells, revealing a new bright skin. With time, it will remove those dark spots and making sure your skin is uniform, removing pigmentations, and you love the result. So get your rice powder from the supermarket, or you can make it yourself using your rice grain, turn it into a powder form, and you're all good. So another ingredient to get here is this aloe vera gel. So I love aloe vera gel so well because of the moisturizing effect. Moisturizes the skin to remove dry, flaky skin. Your skin will be so smooth, so soft, you will just love it. Very silky smooth. So another thing it does is firming the skin. It firms a loose skin. It helps to treat irritation and many more. So what you have to do is to get aloe vera gel, either the cosmetic type or you get the plant natural one. I personally, I don't use the plant natural one because it irritates my skin. So I prefer the cosmetic type, and this particular one is 100% natural. You can get any product of aloe vera gel from the supermarket. So just get one and you will never regret it. Your skin will look very smooth, soft, beautiful. Like, you'll be looking more youthful all the time. So after getting your rice powder and your aloe vera gel, get a mixing bowl. So this is how to mix this ingredient to achieve best result. So get a mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of rice powder. Yes, 2 tablespoons. Then you have to add in 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Just add it. Then you have to get your vitamin E. Okay, so this is vitamin E capsule. If you have the oil, add half teaspoon of vitamin E oil. If you have the capsule, just get 2 capsules, pop it into the remedy, and you're all good. Vitamin E contains powerful antioxidant that helps to fight free radical damage, tightens a loose skin. With consistency, you will see that you'll be looking more younger all the time. People will doubt your age. This treatment contains powerful ingredients that after mixing them, applying on your skin, you will appear more youthful and you will feel younger and look younger. In case you don't have vitamin E, you can use almond oil. Almond oil also contains vitamin E in it. You can also make use of olive oil, but olive oil is an heavy oil. So stay away from olive oil if you have oily skin. After adding your vitamin E, then you have to mix these ingredients together using rose water. If you do not have rose water, you can make use of ordinary water. This is rose water. But I prefer rose water because you will surely benefit from other things in it. It's not just water. You benefit things like this. Your skin will glow. Your skin will look well nourished, like that supple younger look. That is what you get from rose water. You can also use rose water as a toner. Use it to clean your skin. Apply early morning before makeup. Use it to dab on your skin just like a facial toner, and you're all good. So rose water is also very good for those that have irritated skin. It's for all skin type, like I said, helping to balance skin pH, and the result will give you instant beautiful younger look. So just go ahead and mix together with other ingredients. Use it to mix the ingredients. Be adding little by little, be mixing it little by little until you get a smooth paste. You don't want this treatment to be runny, so you have to be adding it little by little, and do not make it to be so thick so that you'll be able to spread it all over your skin. Wash your skin, remove all makeups and dirt. Then you have to apply this treatment all over your skin. You can apply it on your neck as well to make it uniform. Apply it anywhere you want to treat to make younger, and you never regret it. So you can go out without makeup and you'll be looking so beautiful, well nourished, and your skin will be glowing always. So use this treatment 3 times weekly. It's also safe to use every day. You can use it every day and you never regret it. After applying it, leave it on for 15-20 minutes, then wash it off. Use a lukewarm water to wash it off and apply a light moisturizer. If you do not have a specific moisturizer, you can use vitamin E oil or make use of almond oil, sunflower oil. Argan oil is also very good for skin tightening and looking younger. So apply it and massage it, and that is all. Use this treatment like I said, follow the instructions and you never regret it. Store the remain in the fridge, okay, to last maximum of 5 days. After 5 days, trash it out, make a fresh one. Apply this treatment every day, 3 times weekly, and you're all good. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I will see you in my next video.